Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to increase your Snapchat score, whether this for your personal profile or if you have a business account that you want to give some credibility to. So let's get right into it. As you can see, my Snapchat score is 0, so now you need to go to search, find a few celebrities to follow. Just before this video I've already followed a bunch, but I will show you how to do a couple already. Yeah, just press subscribe, and now you go back to your chat, or you can even go straight to your camera. As you can see, I've already followed a bunch of people, so just go to your camera, just take a blank picture, and now you press send to, and basically what you do is just select all the people that you've just followed. If you follow maybe like 50 people or 100 people, you can do this a lot quicker, but I've only selected about 30 just for this example. By the way guys, if you want to see more marketing tips and making money online videos, please subscribe to my channel. I've got very valuable content coming very soon. So basically what we do is just select everyone and you just send that snap. And once you do it the first time, it'll get a lot easier, as you can just go to your camera, do the same thing, take a picture, send to, and as you can see, you can now select last snap. So that makes it much easier. You just keep doing that, and you do this as much as you want. You can get to 1,000 score, 10,000 score, 100,000 score, whatever you need. Just keep doing that and you will get to it. So what you need to do to check your score is just close the app again, just refresh it, and as you can see, my score was on 0 before, and now it is on 90. So that's it. Thanks guys, hope you subscribe. Bye.